Hey folks, it's Kimberly Hobscheid with Entrepreneurs Rocket Fuel. I'm excited. I'm back in my office today in San Diego, beautiful San Diego, California. It's a little chilly out today. It's a little below sunny and 78 degrees, which is our claim to fame. But we're excited to have a beautiful, gorgeous day out there today. We've got a lot planned. So today I wanted to bring you the 3 components that make a business super successful. This is actually brought to you by a dear friend of mine whose name is Kat Halushka. She's in a mastermind program of mine, and I absolutely love her to bits. She's got a lot of really great, strong, intelligent things to contribute to the world of entrepreneurship. She's really a gem, and I was super excited to hear this from her yesterday, and I thought, absolutely, we need to bring this to our group. So a shout out to Kat Halushka, an amazing mentor and guide and coach for entrepreneurs. If you're interested, definitely, I'm going to tag her below. So we definitely want to give her the props on this one. All right. So number 1, she says, and I totally believe all 3 of these. Number 1 is skill. You got to have a level of skill in order to bring forth a product or service or a company in order to make that happen. So you have to have certain skills in order to be successful in business. The good news is that a lot of you already have them because you've lived life, and that life living has brought you skill in a particular area, and you're here to share that as a coach or as a business owner or as a service provider to those people out there that need that particular skill. So need somebody skilled in that particular area. We all have our strengths. We're all good at some things, and these skills that you've already manifested in your life are the things that are going to help you build an amazing business. Now, there are other skills that you may need to bolt on, but great news is skills are learnable. They're acquirable. You can acquire skills along the way. So maybe you are absolutely fantastic at helping people with a particular problem and getting them over the hump. Say it's a relationship, or maybe it's health coaching, or maybe you have the secret sauce to being able to lose 20 pounds and get back into your jeans from high school. Hey, text me below if that's the one, because I want to know about that one. Anyway, you have some sort of skill that allows people to achieve a result that they are really looking to achieve. Maybe it's a product, maybe it's a service, or maybe it's an entire business. All right, there may be skills that you don't have that you need to acquire. Like, for example, you might need to learn about how to put together a sales funnel, or how to put together a website, or how to put together some other stuff. So now you can acquire those skills yourself, or you can just acquire enough skill to be able to manage it and have somebody else do it for you and hire those skills out. There's plenty of people that have great tech skills right here in Entrepreneurs Rocket Fuel in the Facebook group. So shoot a note in the group if you have a comment or question, and we'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. Or if you're watching this on Facebook, absolutely just comment below. We'll hook you up with somebody amazing that can help you with tech. All right, number 2, you guys are dying to know what number 2 is, because we spent a lot of time on number 1, which is skills. Number 2 is community. Being an entrepreneur can be lonely. It is super lonely to be an entrepreneur sometimes. They don't call it solopreneur for nothing, right? We're out here kind of on the leading edge. We've got all our protective armor on, saying, yes, everything's fine. Mom and dad, I'm doing just fine. Kids, I'm doing just fine. This business is rocking. I'm super successful, and I'm really proud of it. And inside you may think, maybe I'm not good enough, maybe I'm not strong enough, I don't even know if this is going to make it to the end of the year, or things are starting to pick up, but I want them to pick up in a faster way. Having a community around you that can love on you and support you and help you grow to the next level is super critical important. Kat brought the second one up, and she's absolutely right. So number 2 is community. You've got to have a community around you of like-minded people that can help you through the sticky parts of making sure that you grow your business to the success that it needs to be, so you can have the impact that you want in the world. That's right. So number 2 is community. If you don't already belong to several communities, I would encourage you to join the Entrepreneurs Rocket Fuel community, join a mastermind group, enjoy having groups that are local with meetups that you can get into and start building relationship with. Find other people who are either in your same boat or can be a sounding board for you when you get stuck. Somebody that can be a safe environment where you can chat out your challenges and struggles without having to chat them out with clients or perhaps potential clients. Of course, you can do that too. Just makes you real and vulnerable and honest, and show up in the world in a very positive way. But sometimes people feel that there's more safety in a community of like-minded people, or a community of people who are going through the same thing, rather than their customers and clients. Nothing wrong with that. All right, what's number three? Number three is a mentor. Find somebody who's been there already and gone through the troubles that you went through. Find somebody who's already built a successful business either in that area, or who's been successful at being able to build websites, or who's been successful at being able to put on online classes, or who's been successful at being able to grow a 5, 6, 7, 8-figure business and grow it to the point where it is mature and generating income like a cash machine. Because that's what we all want, right? So that we can go to the Bahamas and have fun and travel and speak on stages and be amazing in the world and show up and just bring our glory and our product and our service to the world, so that we can have the impact that we're trying to make. A mentor is key in order to be able to see things further down the road, and know the obstacles that you're about to hit before you hit them, so they can steer you in the right direction, warn you about them, give you a heads up that they are coming, and also provide you with some insight in how to get around those obstacles. A mentor or a guide or a coach is absolutely critical to have in your business. I have mentors and guides and coaches. If you don't already have a mentor or guide or coach, I would love to work with you. You can go to entrepreneursrocketfuel.com/apply and fill out an application. You and I will get on the phone and we'll chat a little bit about where your business is and where you want to be. And then we'll figure out what program will work for you in order to get you past any obstacles, or get you really flourishing in your business to where you really want to be. All right, folks, that was 3 amazing points. You got to have the skills, you got to have the community, and you got to have a mentor in order to be super boiling successful in your business. All right, folks, I'm Kimberly Hobscheid with Entrepreneurs Rocket Fuel, and I would love to work with you. Cheers.